In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone battery has been draining faster after updating to iOS 26.2. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Go to the option display and brightness, enable dark mode. Always use dark mode especially on OLED iPhones like the Pro or Pro Max models because black pixels use less power. Make sure auto brightness is turned on under accessibility, display and text size to prevent your screen from staying brighter than needed. Next, reduce motion and transparency and accessibility to cut down animations. And turn on reduce white point to dim bright whites, ideally around 50 to 70%. Disable screen wake features like raise to wake and tap to wake since your screen lighting up constantly drains battery. For connectivity, turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and personal hotspot when not in use. Prefer Wi-Fi over cellular data whenever possible. Background activity is another major factor. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh and either turn it off entirely, allow it on Wi-Fi only or disable it for most apps, especially social media. Adjust location services under privacy and security so apps only access your location while in use and disable unnecessary system services. Notifications also drain battery, so limit alerts to only essential apps. For mail, turn off push and set fizz to hourly or manual since constant server checks use power. Series talk and type feature keeps the microphone active, so consider turning it off. Lastly, limit unnecessary widgets, avoid force quitting apps and restart your iPhone once every few days or after major updates to clear background processes. By following these steps, you should notice real battery improvements within a day. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.